Hi, so this is a little bit different. This is my camper van and I built this in 2015 from new. It is registered as a camper van, but what I didn't want, because we repair quite a lot of motorhomes here at PJ Roads, and they're all so flimsy and compressed cardboard cupboards and stuff like that. I just didn't want that. I wanted it solid and simple, more to the point. So this is just for two. That's it there. The bed just pulls down into there. You can imagine the table goes in there, and there's a couple of lats. It's got a Webasto, well, a sliding sunroof there, electric roof, so you can have your food and watch the stars. Another sunroof here, all built to my spec really. It's obviously got the sink, it's got the cooker, it's got a big fridge, huge drawers everywhere, lots of storage underneath everywhere, microwave. I think that's a smart TV that we've just fitted actually, so it works on a dongle, so you can get whatever you want anywhere. But it's just the way I wanted it. Plenty of storage, big side awning. You've even got like the wardrobe up there. You hang your clothes, you don't put them all in cupboards. All the storage goes under there. Towbar, so I take my motorbike with the wife away, but it's only got 6,500 miles. I don't have time, so in 10 years 6,500 miles, and I think my daughter's done half of them. So if you're interested, give us a ring. Lovely bit of kit.